Tesla's U.S. price cuts mean more models are eligible for the federal EV tax credit. Oh, that's what I was just... I didn't know you had this tab next.
Well, I mean, it was on the chat there.
Is this a separate topic now?
I guess so.
Okay, well,
We
listen.
talk about it.
Yeah, well, we can because was it sort of coordinated? Has it been considered? I presume so. In order to make more of these things eligible, Tesla's higher-end Model 3 performance model was discounted by 14.3%. So in order to qualify for the federal tax credit, I guess the price of the vehicle can't be more than a certain amount. Is that the idea? For some of the lower-priced models, the cuts put them in range to qualify for the U.S. federal tax credits of up to $7,500. Those incentives were made available starting January 1st under the Inflation Reduction Act, and the credit is available on EVs priced under $55,000. So can you do me a favor and just go back to the other chart? Under 55. So this brings now in everything. Everything but the S and X. So the Y and the 3 now both fall under that amount. If you add the performance to the Model Y, then no. But that's your most popular Teslas all covered right there. You have the three performance and the Model Y, and they will all get $7,500 more off. And I don't think that has been included in this particular reduction. So that's big money on the Model Y, isn't it? If you got 13 grand plus 7,500 on the Model Y, it's back at 20. A standard range rear-wheel drive Model 3, the lowest price version, now lists for $43,990. The higher end, we already covered that. Inflation Reduction Act signed in August 2022 includes tax credits for the electric vehicles. So for sure, this was coordinated with this, with some consideration for this. It's going to be, my feeling now.
What's that?
You're going to see even more Model Y selections. Because it's really brought that price down to far more competitive.
And it's very popular.
It's already popular.
Yeah.
Credits are capped to an income level of $150,000 for a single filing taxpayer and $300,000 for joint filers for new vehicles at $75,000 and $150,000 for used cars. Okay. So there are some tax credit caps on there. This is all very interesting. I felt that electric car adoption was already at some crazy pace. This is anecdotal, but Will, I'm out there in life and people are all telling me my next car is going to be an electric car. Like,
really?
So many. Are you not having that experience? Where people say, which one should I get? Like anything?
Yeah, I get both. Like there's deniers too. They're like, oh, I'll just wait till they don't, like wintertime, just being here.
Yeah.
It's just reduction in power and all that stuff.
Do you believe them?
What do you mean?
Like, who do you believe more? You got on one side of the spectrum, you got a guy who says, my next car is going to be electric.
Yeah.
And on the other end of the spectrum, you got a guy that's like, well,
Yeah.
Like, who do you believe more? Because the one guy seems completely convinced. The guy that says, I'm going to buy an electric car next, like, he's 100%.
Yeah.
The other guy might just need a little bit of time before he's persuaded by whatever market forces. Like, what if that $7,500 tax credit was actually $17,000?
Yeah.
Like, it's like there's certain levers you can pull where it just gets crazy. You're just, wow, okay.
It's a good deal, like, not to pass up.
You got this Model 3 you're driving around, and I presume you're saving some money on gas.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Tons of money.
For now.
But then the Bronco kind of like evens it out.
Oh, yeah. The Bronco drinks enough for the two of them.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
So I'm dead either way.
Well, you're dead. We all knew that.